Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the app. Make a complete backup and a copy of the APK or project. Once done, open the project in Android Studio or extract the APK to view manifests. Make sure to locate module level build, Gradle and Android manifest, XML because those hold Min SDK version and Target SDK version. You will edit those lines directly. This first step prevents data loss and gives you a clear path to change SDK values safely. So proceed only after confirming the backup succeeded. You now change the SDK numbers. Open module build, Gradle and set Min SDK version and Target SDK version to the desired API levels and update compile SDK version to match the target platform. Make sure to sync Gradle immediately. Syncing catches incompatible dependencies. If Gradle reports errors, update or replace libraries that require higher APIs and modify code guarded by API checks. Take time to run a build. It shows whether the new SDK settings compile and where runtime adaptations are required. You finish by rebuilding the APK and testing on an emulator and at least one physical device that matches the new minimum. Make sure to run lint and monitor logcat for missing API calls or permission changes. These explain why something fails. If the app crashes, roll back to your backup and raise SDK levels incrementally while addressing each incompatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: check third-party libraries for native API requirements, update or replace them before finalizing the SDK change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.